Hi, everybody. Let me tell you a real story of Linda Bradford. Linda Bradford began her professional trading career in 1981 as a market maker in equity options on the floor of the Pacific Coast Stock Exchange. Linda started her career facing brutal losses. In her early days on the trading floor, she admitted she was running around like a headless chicken, trading trades based on gut feeling, rumors, and random tips. Nothing was working for her. Her confidence was totally shattered. That's when, one day, a senior trader handed her a copy of a book, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets, written by John J. Murphy, and simply said, learn the language of the market, not the noise. Linda took the advice seriously. She spent months studying Murphy's method, learning about trend, support and resistance, chart patterns, moving average, and risk management. She finally understood how to read what the charts were telling her instead of guessing the result. Linda then went to become one of the top traders in the world. After that, Linda was featured in Jack Schwager's famous book, The New Market Wizards, and she consistently credited the foundation of her success to mastering technical analysis first. And the book, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy. Linda says, sometimes you're not failing because you are incapable. You are failing because you are missing the right foundation. This book can be the right foundation for you, just like it was for me, Linda Bradford. Hi, friends. Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. And I hope that this little story of Linda Bradford will make it very, very clear that why building a foundation in technical analysis is very, very important if you want to make a career in the stock markets. This book, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy, is one such book that you must read. And I can assure you that this book will surely help you to become successful in the stock markets. A lot of people say that technical analysis does not work. I really disagree with them. Like the old saying goes, in a world full of blind people, a person with one eye is the king. Yes, in the stock markets, where even experts go wrong, even the experts cannot predict the market crashes. Technical analysis will help you to get the right entry and the right exit. So, there might be a lot of information other than technical analysis available in the market, but technical analysis will surely help you from entering into a crashing market. Now, remember, just buying this book is not going to help you. You have to read the book, understand the book, implement what is written in the book, practice it over and over again, and become an expert in technical analysis of the financial markets. And that's when you're going to start earning money from the financial markets. So, what does this book tells you about? This book tells you about the psychology behind technical analysis, Dow theory, types of charts, basic concepts of trends and moving averages, support and resistance, reversal chart patterns and continuation patterns, volumes and open interest. It also speaks about oscillators, MACD, RSI stochastics, Japanese candlestick patterns, Elliott wave theory, money management, risk management. Finally, putting it all together. Yes, without putting it all together, you will not be able to create your own strategy. So if you look at it, this book, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets, is a good book which gives you an overview of all the aspects you need to know about technical analysis. One more thing I want to add is I have created a lot of videos and a set of training videos on all these aspects given by John J. Murphy. Yes, but I can't put everything into this same video because this video will become very, very long. So what I have done is I have put the link of my training videos in the description. You can go through these videos one by one and understand each aspect of technical analysis given by John J. Murphy in this book. At the same time, I have also written a book, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. The book is available in Amazon and Kindle. The link for it is given in the description. So, this book is also speaking about technical analysis. It can be a great help for you if you go through it. As John says, that putting it all together is the most important aspect in technical analysis. So, what I have done is I have tried to put the five major aspects in technical analysis that you should look before entering into a trade. So let us see one by one what are those five aspects. Number one starts with looking at a chart. Number two is identify a trend. To identify a trend, the best indicator is a moving average or a moving average crossover strategy, as you can see on the screen. Once you have identified a trend, then look for areas which was earlier a resistance and now getting converted into a good support. At the same time, use an oscillator to make sure that when the price reaches the support zone, the oscillators is in an oversold position. That gives you a fair idea that from here, the price is going to jump up. The fourth step is to identify a good candlestick pattern. Now, since this is a buy strategy, we are looking for bullish candlestick pattern. Two of the best candlestick pattern is a hammer pattern and a bullish engulfing pattern. If you see either of them or similar candlesticks over there, it's a clear market psychology saying that the market is going to bounce from here. And finally, friends, what is most important is your risk management. Do not invest more than 1% or maximum 2% in one trade. Because if you risk more than that, chances are there that very quickly you can blow off your account. But if you risk less, even if you're wrong, you have more opportunities to practice and recover your losses in coming times. Whenever you enter a trade, you should look at two things. One is your win ratio. So, over a period of 100 trades, you will understand what is your win ratio. Like, are you able to win 60% of the trades or 50% of the trades? And the second important thing is the risk to reward. Initially, when you start, go for 1 is to 1.5 risk to reward and gradually graduate to 1 is to 2, then 1 is to 2.5, and then 1 is to 3. Risk to reward requires a lot of patience. So you need to practice it. And as you become stronger and stronger, you will become disciplined to hold your trades for longer rewards in the stock markets. So friends, I hope that this video has made it very, very clear. And with Linda's example and John J. Murphy's book, Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets, that technical analysis is very, very important if you want to make your career in the stock markets. But just buying the book is not going to help you. You need to practice, you need to have patience, and you need to be persistent in the stock markets. And risk management is very, very important because without risk management, you will not have enough time in the stock markets to find your mistakes, learn from it, and then profit from it. Friends, if you love the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many others who want to learn trading the right way. These videos, these small, small videos will surely help you and them to improve your trading. That's very, very important. Getting better every single day. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Because every time I see a new subscriber, it motivates me to create such videos. And friends, before I complete this video, I always keep saying, keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. That's all in this video, friends. Thank you. Namaskar.